how you fit the low flow cell. You notice inside there is an O-ring. Okay, it should sit in place. It's not tight in there. So lower that onto your probe, or slide it onto your probe. You can feel the rubber just right to the top. You then use your, we call these C-clamps. Okay, so the flat side goes against the flow cell, like so. If you're doing this the other way, sideways on, these will stay easier. Then you fit the whole, oops. So you fit it so that there's C-clamp and the edges of low flow cells in there. Close it. Slide your clamp in and tighten. And this is where you would attach your flow. This is the swage lock fittings.
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch, sorry.